Hi friends! Welcome back to Animated Ideas. Are you ready to learn something awesome today? Today, we're learning about homophones.
What are homophones?
Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. See? See. Flower? Flower. Night? Night. Even though they sound the same, they are used in different ways. Let's look at some homophones in real sentences. Example 1. I want to eat a piece of cake. We all want peace and quiet. Peace, peace. Example 2. He rode his bike down the road. Road, road. Example 3. Can you see the sea from your house? See, see. Now it's your turn. I will read a sentence. You guess the right homophone. Practice 1. The bird, blank, out of the nest. If you picked flew, you got it. Practice 2. My shoe has a hole in its blank. That's right, it's sole. Practice 3. Let's write a story about a brave knight. It's knight with a K. A brave warrior. Wow, you did an amazing job learning homophones today. Let's review. See, see. Peace, peace. Road, road. Night, night. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Now you know. Want to keep practicing? I made a fun homophones worksheet you can print and do at home. It's totally free. You can find the link to download this worksheet in the video description below. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun lessons, and download your free worksheet. See you next time!